How to enable withdrawals and deposits on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can enable withdrawals and deposits on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To enable withdrawals and deposits on Cash App, you need to add a payment method so that whenever you want to withdraw, it will be withdrawn to that specific payment method at the account, and when you want to top up a deposit on Cash App, it will be added from that specific payment method itself. And to add a payment method, there must also be one step you must do beforehand, and that is to simply verify your Cash App account. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App on your device, now currently if I just come to the home tab, if I just try to add cash, or let's say cash out, you can see I will not be able to do so because I have to add a payment method. And then once I basically enter my payment method here, I need to tap on next, then it's going to ask me to verify your identity to continue using Cash App, and that's exactly what we want to do. You want to make sure to verify your identity, so make sure that you have your legal documents with you. Tap the continue button. It'll ask you to put a face to your info. So to confirm it's you, they're going to collect some photos, so you want to make sure to tap the continue button. Allow the application to take some pictures or whatever else, and it's going to scan the front of your driver's license or your state ID. Then once it's done that, it's going to scan the back side. Then once it's done that, it's going to successfully verify your Cash App account. Then after you've done that, you can add a payment method, you can add a bank account in order to enable withdrawals and deposits. This is how you can enable withdrawals and deposits on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.